banging out these beauties in year 11. 11th year in business, 2020 BMW M8 Competition Cabriolet. Full body paint protection film. Another one with Opticoat Pro Plus ceramics. Looking amazing. I'm very proud of this job. 72-inch bulk hood install. Very difficult, turned out very nice. Headlights, front bumper, all fenders, doors, mirrors, A-pillars. Rear bumper, rear quarters, trunk lid, convertible top. Even debadged the M8 logo and reapplied it after for a seamless look. Can't stop, won't stop, baby. And there's the customer to pick up. Thanks for following.